This is a review on the Bauer uh, portable band saw, the Universal Portable Band Saw Benchtop Stand by Hercules, and then the Hercules uh, blade. So I wanted to kind of go over some of the stuff I had to do and some of the decisions I ended up making. For starters, it works really good. I love this Hercules blade. Um, the only thing it hasn't cut is I'd gotten some. It's a HA 279C24. As you can see, they're made in USA. I did the 24 TP tooth per inch blade, the Cobalt blades. So far, they've worked awesome. The only thing I haven't been able to cut very well was I had some bed frames that, if anybody's ever messed with bed frames, they're strange metal from China. I don't know how they put it together or what they do, but it's almost like stainless how hard it is. The frame I was cutting was harder than that. I zipped right through a blade, but everything else I've cut with it's been awesome. It's great to finally have a freestanding bandsaw. I had one growing up and I didn't have one for a lot of years, and I've been doing, jigsaws and stuff like that. So I bought the Bauer Band Saw kit on sale at Harbor, and then bought the Hercules Universal portable bandsaw bench stand. So as I was setting it up, I was really excited that I thought, okay, I'm going to be able to do the freestanding and then be able to do the cut thing too, and cut material. But as I was setting it up, what I kind of figured out was it's better one way or the other. Because if you try and get it perfectly straight on there for freestanding like it is, then it's not going to be straight for cutting, cutting the material on its own. I mean, maybe some people had some different experiences than I did, but that's what I kind of came up with. That if you're going to align it perfect for cutting material, it's not going to be exactly how you're going to want it freestanding like this. So for me, it was more important to have a freestanding saw like this. So I ended up taking the base off the bottom here. Some of the other things I did, I ended up buying a foot pedal, so I can just go on and off, and then it works out good. As you can hear, it's kind of noisy. I just wear hearing protection when I use it. Some of the stuff I ran into is they give you a kit to hook it all up. I didn't, when I pulled these bolts out here, the threads were not the best, so I ended up studding it. So I did studs here instead of using the bolts that they supplied because I didn't feel great about them. What I ended up doing here, I didn't like how this thing was pushing this trigger, so I just tie wrapped it, and that's why I ended up buying the foot pedal. So the foot pedal I got is, let me put this back in so I don't shake you to death here. The foot pedal I got is the 57200. So it's a on off. You can do the ones where you hold it and then it's on when you're on the foot pedal and it's off when you're not on the foot pedal. I like it this way. I just keep the foot pedal close by, so if something bad happens, I can shut it off pretty quickly. The one complaint I have about this bandsaw, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, is, let it focus in here. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from here or not. but the rubber that runs around here cracked, and it's cracked in several places. And this thing is not that old. I think I've had it for maybe a year. And the rubber's cracked on both of them. That doesn't make me super happy. That would be my only complaint so far. I like, it came with a really nice case, the bandsaw did. It comes with all the kits and everything to, well, it comes with the stuff for the bandsaw, but then the whole bandsaw holder, universal portable bandsaw, benchtop stand comes with all the stuff to put it onto that stand, and then the bandsaw comes with the really nice set of instructions and stuff. But so far I've cut a lot of stuff, cut a lot of 1/4 inch with it. When you read the instructions, it makes it sound like 1/4 inch might be pushing it. It's not pushing it. It does good. It does really nice. And you know, it's a game changer for somebody that doesn't have a bandsaw. Do a kind of a little bit of a round on it so you kind of see both sides here of it and that. But I'm very happy with it. I said, you know, like I said, other than the little cracks around the rubber and stuff there, you know, obviously you got to take this table off when you change the blade, things like that. But it's worked out great for me. I'm so happy to have a freestanding bandsaw. It's way cheaper than if you're going to do like the swag off-road option or something like that. So that's my review. Like and subscribe.